I'm interested in our key words.
Higher, smaller, increase, decrease, proportion, fraction, percentage.
Right. So I've put those as key words for a reason, because I'm going to hope that you can start to use them. And that's really part of what we're going to try and do now. Sean chose to compare the over 59s. And his reasoning seemed to be quite good, didn't it? He got it right. I'm going to look at the under 15s. And I'm going to show you now 3 different statements. There are 3 statements there. Do you agree? What I would like you to do is to work with a partner, or you'll have to work with the 3, okay? And only on one whiteboard to write down which one you think is correct. A, B, or C. Think about it. Bigger than that. Okay, show me. Right, just keep them up while I'm just remembering who put what. Put them down for me, please. We've got different answers there, so we need to sort out who's right. Michael.
I think they're all right because it says there's more people in under 15 in Ireland than in Greece, which is right.
How can you tell?
Because in Ireland there's a quarter of the pie chart coloured in, and in Greece is only like I don't know, 1/8 or something.
Which one's bigger, this or this? Ireland or Greece? Ireland. Ireland is bigger. So does that mean that there are more people under 15 in Ireland than in Greece? Anybody want to agree or disagree with that? Laura, as loud as you can.
Greece is much bigger than Ireland, and although on Ireland the under 15's like a quarter and Greece is less, Greece could be comparing to a lot more people than Ireland.
Right, stop there. What's Laura saying? Come on, who can tell me what Laura's saying in their own words, Kurt?
That Greece might be comparing to 500 people and Ireland might be comparing to 250.
So we're comparing different amounts of people, so what does that mean? What does that mean about this statement? There are more people under 15 in Ireland than in Greece.
If you had numbers on each pie chart, you'd know which one's right and which one's wrong. So the problem is you've got no numbers to tell.
What do we need to know, Aidan?
The population number, like 200 and 300.
How many people under 15 in Ireland? How many people under 15 in Ireland? Kurt?
About 25% or a quarter.
Right, I'm asking you how many exactly. How many people are there under 15 in Ireland?
You don't know because you don't know how many there are actually all together in that pie chart.
Brilliant. So can we say there are more people under 15 in Ireland than in Greece?
No.
Can we say that, Paul?
No.
Can we say that?
Yeah.
Can we say there are more people under 15 here, Amelia?
Yeah, Ireland have got more people in there because the pie chart's bigger and under 15's more than in Greece.
Anybody disagree with that? Laura, do you disagree?
Yeah, because there's probably, I mean, they wouldn't do the whole population probably, but say that Greece is out of 800 people and Ireland could be out of 20.
Right.
There's no way that Ireland are going to have a larger population
Right.
than Greece.
That's a really good
in the pie
answer.
chart.
Did you want to add something?
Yeah, I really disagree with Laura because she does not know how many there are in each. There could be the same amount and there could be less in Ireland than there are in Greece.
Right, Amelia, so can I ask you a question then? And I agree, Laura just does not know, does she?
No.
So how do you know that there are more people in Ireland under 15 than in Greece?
I'm not saying there are more people in Ireland than there are in Greece.
So what are you saying? Tell me.
I'm saying that it could be the same amount, but Ireland could be just a bigger pie chart.
Right. There's some really good points being made here, and I just want to try and bring them together for you. Laura and Amelia agree that we just don't know. Make sure you're concentrating on me. We just don't know how many people under 15 in Ireland and how many people under 15 in Greece. So we can't say, Chelsea, that there are more people under 15 in Ireland and Greece than because we don't know. Now, you might want to think about some of the key words. What can we say? Just talk about that for 30 seconds to the person sat next to you.
The percentage, because that is the highest.
It's a high percentage.
It doesn't matter what it looks like, because if it was as big as this room, it wouldn't matter, because it could be the same.
Okay,
No, it wouldn't.
using our key words, what else could we say? There's a higher proportion of under 15s in Greece and in Ireland, but what else can we say, Kurt?
There's a lower percentage of under 15s in Greece than there is in Ireland.
Right, what else can we say using our key words? That's brilliant because Kurt's used the key word. We can say there's a lower percentage. What else can we say? Could we change the word proportion there to another one of our key words? Could we change it to another one of our key words? Sean?
The chart shows that there is a higher fraction of people under 15 in Ireland than in Greece.
Can we change another word? Can we change another word? Paul?
You can put percentage in it.
So read it out to me, Paul.
The chart shows that there is a higher percentage of people under 15 in Ireland than in Greece.
Good lad, good lad. Okay. Fraction and percentage are just a way of describing proportion. Okay, fraction and percentage is just a way of describing proportion. I'm going to leave it there, and I think these issues might start to be solved when you do some group work.